Since Instagram is one of the most popular social media platforms, it keeps updating new features for the users one after another. Therefore, if you have accidentally or intentionally deleted your Instagram account and later realized that you still need it and want to recover it, in that situation, my friend, you will click on this video. Well, if you have accidentally deleted your Facebook account as well, you can recover it too. We have previously made a video on how you can recover a deleted Facebook account. You can check by clicking the I button. Hello guys, my name is Shivani and welcome to Tweak Library. To simply answer your question, how you can recover your permanently deleted Instagram account? Sadly, there is no way to retrieve a permanently deleted Instagram account. However, if your account is disabled, banned or deleted by Instagram due to any reasons or got hacked, you can easily recover it by following these steps. Open your Instagram login page. Tap on Get Help with Login In and then enter your username. Tap on Next and then you will get a 6-digit confirmation code on your mail ID. Now enter this code to your login page and then hit Next. If this option won't let you recover your account, then the next step is to contact the Instagram support team. To contact the Instagram support team, go to the link given in the description box. Once you click on the link, you will be prompted with a question. Is this account used to represent a business, product or service? If your account was personal, then select No and click Send. After this, you will ask to fill in more details about you, such as your full name. You have to fill in the exact name that you used on your Instagram account, your Instagram username, your email ID, the email address you have used to sign up for your Instagram account. What country are you contacting us from? Select your country from the list and then hit the send button. Once you submit the completed form to the Instagram technical support team, you will receive an email within 48 hours that contains a code consisting of numbers and instructions to follow. Now to follow the instructions as asked in the mail, take a white paper and write down the code given in the mail, your full name and Instagram username in bold. Click a photo of this paper and send it as a JPG file in reply to this mail. If your account is temporarily disabled or compromised due to any reasons, then account recovery will be carried out with 2-3 days. You will be provided with a link to restore your account. By clicking on the link provided by Instagram team, you can recover your deleted Instagram account. That's all. Hope you found this video helpful. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe.